guys, good evening. So we are back on our late night stock market kwentuhan session. So today's is Wednesday. So let's review first yung PSEi or yung market natin. Then review tayo ng mga charts, okay? Then after pala, proceed tayo sa learning session natin. So we will be discussing about RSI. So basically, ito yung common technical indicator under oscillators. Okay. So move tayo here. Okay, so before we start our stock kwentuhan, if you are newbie pala in the stock market and then you find this page helpful, pwede mo naman itong i-share sa mga friends and family members mo to influence them in the stock market. Or you can follow our social media accounts. So we have FB page, YouTube channel, and TikTok. So we usually upload about everything stock market learnings or yung stock market journey namin to inspire newbies. Okay, and then lastly pala, before we start, disclaimer then, we don't do stock recommendation here but for research purposes only. So make sure na you always research then on your part and as always, trade at your own risk. Okay, so para sa charting review natin mamaya, so we have yung BSC, LMG, Tech, Ever, DDMPR, and PA. So ito yung mga charts na i-check natin later. Okay, so first is start muna natin reviewin si PSEi. So ano na bang current condition ni PSEi? So right now, si PSEi is nag-close at 6,973.35 as of kanina. So down tayo ng 0.05 percentage with 3.38 points na movement for today. So actually, na-reach natin yung highest level ni PSEi at around 7,000. So nag 7,000 level na tayo kanina. So which is sobrang tagal na nating hinihintay na bumalik tayo sa 7,000 level. So ano bang condition ngayon ni PSEi? So from last May 25, nag-below tayo up to 6,100 level. And then in a span of ilang days lang or weeks, so we are back going to 7,000 level. So if you will notice, yung candlestick natin is actually above the MA50, MA20, MA50, and MA100. So basically, nasa uptrend position na tayo, si PSEi. And then if mapapansin nyo, si MA20 is nag-above na ng MA50. And then right now, nag-touch na to. So yung MA20 is nag-crossover na siya sa MA50 plus nag-crossover na din tayo. Ito, going above na yung MA20 to MA100. So meaning in pag na-breach natin tong MA100, so confirmation to na we are on a uptrend position na. Okay, but take note nyo rin kasi si RSI is actually on the level na ng 70. So pag na-take note mo tong level na 70 sa RSI, so dito kasi yung level na overbought na. So ang tendency is pwedeng mag-correct or bumaba, pabalik tayo. Okay? But actually, pwede pa rin naman yung mag-continue upward. So, if you will check then, or if makikita nyo to, so ang resistance natin is 6,993. So, kanina nga din, ang highest na na-reach natin is 7,000. So, actually, na-break na nyo to, but we ended up nasa 6,973 na-close si PSEi. So, if mabibreak nyo tong resistance 1 bukas, sorry, so, ang next niyan na aabutin ni PSEi is possible na 7,290. So, yan na yung magsaserve as new resistance natin. And then, ito is the new support. So, medyo gumalaw na tayo. So, nagbago na yung trading channel natin. From, if mabreak nyo yan, ang magiging trading channel na natin is actually from 6,900 to 7,200. So which is good news or good thing na nagkakaroon na ng price movement sa PSEi. since may magandang news dahil COVID-19 vaccine in the Philippines is unti-unti naman nang naro-roll out sa Pilipinas. So once talaga na nag-normal na ulit yung economy natin, so expect tayo na aangat pa yan. Okay? So check natin ngayon yung mga top gainers natin for today. Okay, so that's all lang for PSEi update. So check natin yung mga top stocks natin. So dadaanan lang natin kung sino-sino ba itong mga nag-top most gainers kanina or top gainers. So si BSC with 12.82%. Okay, and then si LMG 12.08%, si MA with 8.33%, and then si Food 8.06, si Tex with 7.75% up, si Ever, so nandyan pa din si Ever, and then si Lod is with 7.37%, and then si PAM, so medyo nabubuhay na ulit si PA, okay, with 7.36% up. Okay, and then I think that's all lang. Hanggang kay pa lang muna tayo. Okay, so ano ba yung mga pwede nating i-check? So ito yung mga nasa list ko right now. So BSC, LMG, Tech, Ever, DDMPR, and pa. So ito yung mga trending stocks as of kanina. So check natin yung charting nila or chart. Okay, so back tayo kay Instagram to check. So first is check natin si BSC, kung ano nangyari kay BSC as of today. Okay. So actually si BSC medyo matagal siya nag-consolidate, di ba? So last January na reach niya yung 250 na 52-week high niya. And then after naman ng ilang days up to January 28, malaki din naman yung binagsak niya, and then bumaba pa siya until 0.74, and then after that naglaro na yung trading channel niya from that, so 0.69 to 1.04, so doon na lang naglalaro yung trading channel niya. So as of now, si BSC is kanina pala is mataas yung volume niya, if you can see, and then nag-cross yung candlestick is nag-above na ng MA20. So, and then nag-touch na din niya. So, this one. So, itong candlestick na to, above na siya dun sa MA20 and then MA50. And then if you will notice yung RS niya going above siya. Okay. So, itong RSI na to is at 61 level siya and then going to 70. So, since nagkaroon ng movement kanina, ng malaking movement, so meron tayong 12.82% up. Okay. So, if i-check natin is, ang resistance na ang babantayan natin is at 0.96. So, right now is nasa 0.88 siya, which is nag-touch na yung candlestick sa MA50. So next niyan is i-check natin if kaya na ba niyang basagin tong resistance na 0.96. And then good thing if na-break niya yan, possible naman na maabot niya ulit itong another resistance to, which is at around 1.04. So since if mapapansin niyo, yan din yung trading channel niya. Okay? So if nagte-trade ka, momentum trader ka or swing trading, so possible na pwede ka mag-buy dito nung nag-touch yung candlestick sa MA20. So if nag-aabang ka, okay. So yun lang for BSC. Okay. And then next na stock is si LMG. Okay. Okay, so actually si LMG Chemicals Corporation with 12.08% up siya kanina, and then nag-close ng 4.64, and then highest stock price na na-reach niya kanina is at 4.95. So if papansinin niyo, I think ito yung tinrade ng mga traders dyan with mataas yung volume niya. Okay, and then papansinin nyo din sobrang from 32 RSI, bigla siyang nag-bounce up to 60 RSI or going or to 57 something to 58. Okay, so yung mga ganitong stocks, medyo speculative na din to. So check lang natin yung value niya if liquid ba siya or illiquid. So see from the past, wait, let's check Zoom. Okay. Nung mga past few days niya, medyo mababa yung value niya. But as of kanina, sobrang taas ng volume niya. So not sure if ano ba yung naging catalyst kay LMG since chemicals, baka related to sa COVID vaccine. But I'm not sure about that. Okay. So next stock na i-check natin is si Tech. So check na natin si Tech using other indicators. Okay, so using ALMA, MACD, fractals, and then CCI. Okay, so pinagko-combine ko yung mga indicators na yan. So as of kanina, nag-close si Tech at 6.12 with 7.75% up. So ang highest stock price na na-reach niya kanina is 6.28. Okay? And then if mapapansin nyo, nagkaroon tayo dito ng last June 15, if nagbabantay ka dyan, is actually nag-above naman na siya since May 26, but ang nangyari dun sa movement niya is, I think, medyo consolidation siya dito. So from this level or crossover, hindi siya masyadong umangat after nun, but nagkaroon ng another pagtaas as of June 15 or kahapon yun. And then as of kanina nga, nagkaroon na ng pump dun sa price niya. So si Tech, may malaking volume siya kanina. And then if papansinin niyo sa CCI nung last May 26, hindi naman nag-cross above 100 yung sa CCI niya. But if you will check nung June 15, dito nag-start yung pagkakaroon ng mataas na volume. So CCI plus umangat yung MACD line sa signal line, and then nag-above yung candlestick. So yon, boom, nagkaroon ng malaking price movement pataas si Tech. Okay? And then if actually nabasag nyo kanina yung resistance 1, which is at 6.20. So nag 6.28 kasi siya, but nag-close siya ng 6.12, so nagkaroon ng selling side. So nagkaroon ng selling kanina, so nag-close siya ng 6.12. So bantayan lang ulit natin siya for this week. So kung ano yung mangyayari sa movement niya, if mapupush niya ba ulit ma-break tong resistance 1 bukas. So if mag-break niya yan, new trading channel mo nababantayan is at around 6.20 to 6.37. Okay. So yun lang naman for Tech. So ano pa ba? Next natin is so punta tayo kay Ever. So si Ever kasi is medyo since June 4, so doon nag-start yung pagkakaroon ng mataas na volume. Okay. So dito, and then nung nag-crossover yung MACD line sa signal line. So ito, plus yung confirmation din natin with CCI. Okay. So pinag-plus-plus mo yan. So boom, yun yung pinaka-confirmation mo. So maganda dyan ka sana nag-buy. And then if you are holding as of now yung Ever, check lang natin na. So 0.57, so yan, at around 227% gain ka na. Okay? So ang ganda, ang laki na ng ginain mo if gumagamit ka ng indicator na ALMA, MACD, and CCI. Okay? So as of kanina din, medyo mataas pa din naman yung volume niya. Okay? Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 7.55% up. So yun. So medyo mahirap nang humabol kay Ever since mataas na yung stock price niya. Okay, so that's all lang for Ever. And then next is DDMPR. So DDMPR. Okay. So even nag-cross na yung MACD line sa signal line from last May 14, ang nangyari kasi dun sa stock price ni DDMPR is after niya mag-crossover, ang nangyari is nagkaroon lang ng consolidation or trading channel up dyan. And then once nakita mo tong PSEi na to, so nag-crossover 100 or nag-above 100, and then nakita mo din na yung candlestick is nag-above alma. So pwede ka rin mag-buy here. So if a-add mo yung PSEi, so pwedeng dito ka mag-buy even though nagkaroon na ng crossover or late entry na pagdating sa MACD, but sa PSEi, chance mo pa din yun kumita. See, if dito ka nag-buy around here, so possible na may gain ka pa din dyan. So with 7% something or 6.86%. And then nabasag na ba niya kanina yung resistance 1? So at 2.08 is nag-touch na yung candlestick dun sa 2.08. So let's see tomorrow if mabibreak niya yan. So since wala ka pa namang sell signal, so pwede mo pang i-hold si DDMPR if dito ka nakabay ha. If gumagamit ka ng PSEi and then alma. So yun lang guys for DDMPR. So if mabreak niya yan, next trading channel is around yan. So 2.08 to 2.20. So yan yung possible na trading channel once na ma-breakout pa dito. Okay? So that's all lang for DDMPR. So last stock is pa. Okay, si pa. So if natatandaan nyo, nagkaroon ng news last time about si pa is mag-a-accept na ng mga crypto, okay, cryptocurrencies platform. So parang yun yung narinig ko sa news. So dati nagkaroon ng pag-accumulate sa stock price ni pa during January. So if mapapansin nyo, January, so umangat siya up to 3.45, which is yung 52-week high niya. And then after nun, bumagsak din naman siya, and then nag-bounce back. So and then after nun, nag-consolidate and then bumagsak. And then after nun, ang pinaka-trading channel niya as of after nung bumagsak yung price is naglalaro lang naman siya at 1.47 to 2.42. Okay, so right now kasi nakakakita lang ako ng if papansinin niyo yung PSEi, so medyo umaangat siya, medyo malayo pa naman, but yung position ng PSEi is going above 100 yan, but babantayan natin if magpupush yan. And then plus papansinin niyo yung MACD niya, MACD line is nagkakaroon ng formation which is crossing over the red line. And then may malaking candlestick, green candlestick kanina, which is parang kakayanin na niyang mag-above dun sa alma line. But of course, babantayan mo lang lagi si market or i-observe lang natin siya. So yung resistance na inaabot niya is 1.80. So as of kanina is nasa 1.75 siya. So with 7.36% up. Okay. So possible pwede mo bantayan si pa, pwede mo siyang i-trade. Okay. Since if i-check mo nga sa PSEi at MACD, so possible na pwede siyang mag-crossover. Okay. So yun lang kay pa. So bantay-bantay lang muna kay pa. Okay, possible mataas ulit ang volume yan bukas. pwede kang pumasok. So actually, if kanina binabantayan mo, pwede ka nang mag-buy dyan. Okay, so I think that's all lang for our charting session. So proceed naman tayo sa learning session natin. Okay, so proceed lang tayo sa presentation natin. So last Monday actually is discuss natin yung oscillators, okay? So under oscillators, meron tayong MACD, which is na-discuss na natin. So meron din tayong RSI and stochastics. So for today, discuss lang natin quickly yung RSI or ito yung tinatawag na relative strength index. So if hahanapin niyo sa indicators, i-type niyo lang yung RSI, so lalabas siya. So basically yung RSI kasi is common siya na ginagamit as technical indicators. So if i-define natin si RSI, so ano nga ba si RSI? So si RSI kasi is measures the speed and the change of price movements. So mamaya discuss natin. So yan yung pinaka-definition. So madali lang naman siya intindihin by its definition. So maganda if i-check natin kung paano siya i-apply sa mismong charting. Okay, and then meron tayong notes kay RSI. So usually kasi si RSI, so meron siyang nag-oscillate siya between 0 and 100. So take note niyo lang, ito yung lagi kong binabanggit if nagre-review tayo ng PSEi update. So yung movements above 70, so nag-i-indicates na yan ng overbought. So meaning, pag nandyan na yung RSI level mo, pwede ka na mag-sell. Kasi meaning, once na nandyan na, or RSI level 70 ka na, overbought na yun, sobrang dami na nagbabay. So tendency is babagsak or magpo-correct na yung isang stock price. Okay? And then, movements naman below 30 indicates oversold. So meaning, sobrang dami na nagbenta. So ang tendency nun is aakit naman pabalik pataas yung stock price. So i-take note mo kapag yung RSI na is nasa below 30, pwede ka na mag-buy doon. Okay? Pero ito pang ang pinaka-importante kay RSI. So during strong market trends, the upper and lower bounds are relaxed. So, hindi naman meaning, ibig sabihin na kapag na-reach na yung 70, is magsasell ka na agad, or if na-reach na yung below 30, magbabay ka na. Kasi during pag malakas yung market, pwede pa niyang ma-breach yung level na 70 at pwede din niyang ma-breach yung level na 30. So, pwede rin magkaroon ng movements above 80. So, pwede kang mag-indicate nun, for example, if nakita mo na yung RSI is nasa 70, and then pag strong yung market, pwede kang mag-buy doon. Okay? And then if yung, so parang buy on breakout siya, and then movements below 20 naman indicates oversold. So magsasell ka naman doon. Okay? And then ito din, so if mapapansin nyo, syempre, yung RSI kasi is between 0 and 100. And then yung midpoint niya is 50. So yung 50 is actually nag-a-act siya as support during pullbacks and resistance during bounces. So yun lang naman yung take note nyo if nasa RSI 50 na yung isang stock price. And then meron din tayong actually tinatawag na two kinds of divergence. So mamaya sample tayo kasi ito, medyo dinidiscuss natin, pero mas maganda if mapipicture out natin siya dun sa sample ng charting. Okay? And then, kung sa MACD, meron tayong convergence, divergence. Yung, if matatandaan nyo, last Monday, pinaplat natin yung higher high nung candlestick and then nung higher high nung formation under MACD. So dito naman kay RSI, meron din tayong two kinds of divergence. So, mas madali din siyang intindihin if may picture tayo or sample. So, may tinatawag kasi tayong top failure swing. So, paano natin to may spot? So, if yung RSI is nag-above 70, and then nag-trending down, so mananotice nyo while yung stock price is trending up. Okay? So, sample tayo. Meron tayo dyan mamaya. And then, meron naman tayong bottom failure swing. So, kapag yung RSI is below 30 and then going up or trending up, and then yung stock price naman niya is falling. So, parang contradicting yung RSI niya and then yung stock price. Okay? So, check natin yan dito sa sample natin. Okay? So, alin dito yan? So, check tayo. So, sa RSI is nasa above 70. So, itong RSI na to is above 70. And then, if mapapansin nyo, nag-plot tayo ng higher high. So, going down siya, right? But if mapapansin mo naman dun sa candlestick or dun sa stock price, going up naman siya. Okay? So, yan siya. And then, yung sa bottom failure swing naman, so, RSI niya, so hindi ito yung example tayo. Ito, SEB. So, RSI niya is below, if mapapansin nyo dito. Okay, below yung RSI and then trending up. So, if papansinin nyo from dito, pinlat mo lang yung lower low niya, but ang na-perform niya is trending up. But yung stock price niya is going down. Okay? So, yun yung bottom failure swing naman na tinatawag. Okay? So, I hope medyo clear yun. Or, if not, pwede naman moving forward kasi lahat ng diniscuss ko about that technical analysis, naka-PDF to and then pwede ko tong isend sa anyone na magre-request. Okay? So, itong next sample naman is actually RSI na nasa 50. If papansinin nyo, nag-plot tayo dito ng level which is parang nag-serve siya as support. So, yung RSI, yan yung pinaka, hindi siya bumabagsak at RSI 50. So, yung diniscuss natin kanina na RSI 50 is actually nagsuserve as support during pullback and resistance during bounces. So, ito yung good sample niyan. Okay? If mapapansin nyo. So, if i-check mo naman sa chart niya or stock price niya, so, hindi siya nagbibelow dyan sa EMA or SMA na yan, which is yung green. So, and then if mananotice niya sa RSI, nasa RSI 50 din siya, which is stable lang siya doon. Yun yung nagsuserve as support. So, I think that's all lang for relative strength index or RSI. So, thank you guys for listening and see you on our next live session. So, next topic natin will be stochastics. Okay, thank you guys and have a good night.